The continuous rainfall during the last few days has worsened the flood situation in the state. Persistent rain has kept the water levels of key rivers in the Imphal Valley dangerously high, resulting in flooding and water seepage across multiple locations. In the latest report, the confluence of Kongba River and Imphal River at Basikhong Kongba Irong faced a severe flood situation with breaching river banks and water overflowing at 3 points. Meanwhile, government authorities are actively engaging in repairing the breached and vulnerable river banks with the help of locals in several areas. On the other hand, Kangpokpi district has also been affected by flood as rivers and canals passing through the district overflowed at multiple locations, causing damages at several areas including Saikul and Keithelmanbi.
Most of the river bank stretches from Singjamai to Kiamgai, then towards Basikhong, is currently under vulnerable conditions. The weak condition of the embankment poses a serious risk of breach, especially as the water level is rising above the emergency level. At the present, I'm reporting from Singjamai area where the river bank had breached last year flood, and this time also the condition is still in critical, and local volunteers and with the help from concerned authorities have been working since early morning to reinforce the embankment with different kind of machineries as well as the bamboos and the sand also. They are trying to keep those materials in the river banks to reinforce the embankment. The thing is, most of the river bank, which is stretches from Singjamai to Kiamgai, then Basikhong, is still under critical conditions. But as of now, there are no confirmed breaches report, but the situation is still highly risky, highly unstable, and requires round-the-clock monitoring. This is Keithelmanbi reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.